Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to delete Temu order history. Temu doesn't offer a direct way to delete your order history, and there are two key reasons this feature might not be available. Your order history helps you track the status of your purchases and manage returns if needed. It serves as a record of your transaction for future references, so there is no direct way you can delete your order history. But however, there are some alternative approaches that might be helpful. Go ahead and open a web browser and then type in temu.com in the URL box and log into your Temu account. Once you're signed into the account, go ahead and mouse over to your name at the top of the screen. Now go ahead and click on Browsing History, and soon after you open up your browsing history page, you will be able to see all of the views that you've made with this account. While not the same as order history, but you can clear out your browsing history from your account. Simply go ahead and mouse over to the three dots at the top right of the product and click on Delete. You will need to manually delete each product by clicking on the three dots and selecting the delete option in order to clear out your browsing history. But for now, there isn't a function to delete or clear out your order history directly, but they might introduce this feature in the future. So you'll just have to wait it out so that you can easily clear out your order history on Temu if they roll out this feature in the future. So that is how you can easily delete your Temu order history. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.